so welcome back to What Karen Loves. Today's video is going to be, of course, January 2020 favorites, because why not? We're getting closer to the end of January, and plus today was so longer than I expected. It was a little bit of craziness this week, let's just say that much. And plus I love doing favorite videos. I love to bring back the outfit ideals videos that I were doing before I ended my editing software, so hopefully those will come back. But I still will be doing the IGTV series that I've been doing, which the latest one is in the description down below, which finally was able to do that. Finally, took forever, but hopefully there will be a new one coming very soon. Stay tuned for that, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and of course check out the latest video, and check out all the stuff down below, and check out the new blog. It'll probably be maybe beauty related this week, because I've been doing a lot of fashion related posts lately, so I figured I could do a beauty related and a beauty related video this week. Why not, right? I love shopping around and looking around on Sephora, things I wish I could get. Anyways, without further ado, this is January 2020 favorites. Let's get on to it. This is a mix of stuff, whether it's like skincare, hair care, body care, self-care, home care. It's a lot of stuff, to be honest. It's a little bit of a different stuff, makeup, beauty, whatever you want to call it. It's just a lot of the stuff that I've enjoyed this month so far. If you've seen it before, I'm sorry, I might have forgot that I've already shown it, or I don't know, because I do forget a lot when it comes to favorite videos. I'm very bad about that. But anyways, let's get on to it, shall we? First and foremost, we got this little beauty. I actually got this guy and a influencer review box to review for my honest review, and I really love the face primer, so definitely my favorite. Would recommend it. I will try to remember to link everything down below, so check it down below in the description below. Alright, let's get on into it. And of course, this one was in my Walmart beauty box. It wasn't really much stuff that I was really excited for this term, just because there wasn't really that much stuff in it that excited me, like, ooh, oh my god. But this one, I seem to like it. It smells really good, and it wears really good. I haven't really used it for deodorant. Most of the time I use it for like spray, just because it smells good. But it smells really good. I've tried it. I tried it once for like the deodorant. I hate cold stuff, and it feels so weird when it's like the liquid. But I really do like it though. It smells really good. Would recommend it, because why not? And it really does smell good though. Febreze should come out with this scent. Alright, the next thing is this little guy. Y'all probably remember this. I think it was Fun or something or another. But I've been telling you guys I've been trying to try this thing, and I finally did, and let's just say that it's awesome. I really do like it. I would recommend it for sure. I mean, like, it applies to, definitely has to make sure your skin is clean, and you have dry skin and all that type of stuff. So I really do like it. I really want to try more stuff from this brand, so hopefully that will be in my future. Alright, the next set, which you have seen in the birthday related Sephora unboxing haul, anyways, is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream, and this is the Coco cream. Yeah, Coco cream. I cannot say, I can never say that word, but this stuff is amazing. I've been using it, and I really love it. It smells so good. Alright, the next set, which is also a part of that set of stuff that I got from Sephora, is Tatcha water cream, the water cream, and the deep cleanse. I love it. It feels so amazing on your skin, and your skin feels clean, feels fresh. I love it. Haven't had any issues with any of the Wild Rose I need to sensitive in that in our nature because my skin is so sensitive to things. So I really do love it. So I definitely recommend it. I can't wait to try more things from Tatcha. Hopefully soon. Alright. Next we have everything's falling off my table. Okay. Alright. Now this guy. I was using EOS shaving cream, but I moved to a different razor, which is from Joy, and I found this one when I got it, and I really do love it. It feels so good on your skin. My skin is sensitive too when I shave, and it's really awful trying to shave, but this one's been so good so far, and it smells amazing. Like that. Where's it going? There it is. Sorry if I'm been over. I had to reach for the product that fell off the table. But this one is another product. It's a sample actually that I got and sent because I've been wanting to try the Michael Kors perfume forever, but it's so expensive. I don't even know where I saw this. I think it was like ad. I don't even know. Anyways, I saw it and I'm like, you know what? Let's see it. Let's see if it is actual legit. And why not, right? It's free. So I did that. And this is the Michael Kors Wonderlust. Look how cute it is. It's so little. I really want to get the big one, but it's like over $100, so it kind of makes me sad because I really do love how it smells. Okay, next we have this guy, which is from Estée Lauder. It's actually another sample that I found that was free to send, and it's the Perfect Pro Rapid Brightening Treatment plus vitamin C. It's a serum, and I can't remember what it smells like, to be honest. It smells so good. I think it's just got some of my nose. I don't think it really, is it really, I keep smelling the other stuff. I don't really smell anything really, to be honest. Okay, but it's really cute. But if I can find any of this stuff, I will link it down below in the description of the video. I definitely really recommend it though. I really been wanting to try more Estée Lauder stuff, so this is the first product. And I can't wait to try more stuff. Okay, last but not least, this is home related. I know, weird, right? Anyways, I actually wanted to try new things for our laundry for a while now. Just to make things fresh, smell good, whatever maybe. I always like trying to change new things up, but I'm so sensitive to everything. And I love Febreze, and I seen this and I really wanted to try it just because I was just really wanting something to smell like our stuff. I mean, we had, you know, stuff with like the dryer, but this stuff goes in before your clothes in the washer. And anyways, here's the product. It's from Downy. It's the Downy Febreze Odor Defense. And let me tell you, we have a kid who is still not pregnant. There's a lot of bias he isn't. Mostly it's just, you know, you know, we can't make him. But anyways, this product has definitely changed a lot of stuff in our laundry lately. Made it smell good, made stuff smell great, because no matter how many washes things go through, you still smell it. So this has definitely been a lifesaver. Would definitely recommend it if you have a kid, or if you need a fresh angle laundry, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes not just laundry soap and dryer sheets gonna cut it. Sometimes you need to add some more stuff, and this has definitely been a must for sure. Hope you guys enjoyed this video though. This is that's all the products, I believe. Yeah. But anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Also, I'm kind of wondering if this makeup look is my favorite or I hate it. I don't know yet. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys on the next one. I know, I really do want to do a fashion related. I'm hoping there will be some fashion related videos coming maybe towards the end of February. I plan on doing that in February just because I might be able to do it and do an actual thing where I'm able to do what I have on my mind anyway. So stay tuned for that. I have been still trying to keep up with my IG series. So go check that. I finally they have like a whole area where you can add a series of IGTV, which is pretty cool. So go check it out. It's on WhatKarenLoves. I'll always put the link of the latest video down below. So go check it out. Anyways. Oh, it smells so good. Anyways. Ooh. I'll catch you guys on the next one. And until then, hope you guys have a great day. Don't forget to check out the latest vlog. And don't forget to subscribe. And I'll check you guys on the next one. Hope you guys have a great day. That's all. XOXO. Bye!